Tuesday. Cyber Defense met today, and Iowa State's going to send some information in a couple days, so we'll see if we're going to go to Iowa State. And we signed up for the spring one, the statewide one. That'll be in February. Excuse me. Scaling networks, unit exams, we put that off. Single area OSPF, worked on that today. Spent most of the day working on that, so it was pretty much labs. A little bit about access control list and how you can permit traffic, you can deny traffic, or you can inspect traffic. So you can have an access list controlling traffic, let's say through here. You can have it blocked and then inspect. These two, I hope, make sense. So when the traffic comes through, it creates its own little tunnel there, which then allows traffic back through here. So it inspects the traffic to decide how the other traffic should be able to come back in. That's it for today.